Okay guys, welcome to this video. I welcome you. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can participate on Metamask airdrop. Okay, so this is a very good airdrop that has been confirmed. Okay, so even the CEO of Metamask confirmed this airdrop on the little information that he dished out few months ago. Okay, so you can see that this is a multi million airdrop that actually worth up to $700 million at a valuation of $7 billion. So there has been a lot of partnership and they raised a very huge amount of funds, just like you can see on your screen. Okay, so a few years ago Metamask showed up on CoinMarketCap and there has been a rumor that Metamask might airdrop token, and recently the news has just boosted around all the social media and around all the internet that Metamask is about to airdrop token. Okay, so actually there are a lot of people who are saying the contrary, but the fact remains that this airdrop is confirmed. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step strategy on how you can position yourself in this airdrop, and most likely for you to be among the eligible ones on this Metamask airdrop. So without saying much, please, if you do like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the bell icon, because I come up with multiple content like this one multiple times in a week. So without talking much, now let's just wait for the intro to run and we will go straight into the main deal on how you can participate in this airdrop. So the number one step is to open the swap section of your Metamask wallet and make swaps. Okay, so on this section you need to make at least 4 swaps with a volume of $1,000 or more if possible. Okay, so you can use a different chain to make this transaction, provided that it's up to $1,000 or more. Okay, so now the step 2 is for you to bridge assets between chains. Okay, so you need to bridge assets between chains. There's a link in the description of this video in which you can use to bridge the assets, and the transaction volume should not be less than $1,000 and it should be rather more than $1,000 in volume. Okay, so now let's head to step 3. The step 3 is for you to stake your Ethereum. There's a link in the description of the video. You can just go out to the description of this video to get all the links on how you can perform this. Okay, now stick with me to the end of this video. Make sure you do not miss any part. Okay, so if you really do enjoy this video, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's continue. Now on this step 4, it's a kind of tricky, but it is actually simple. Okay, on this step 4 you just need to sign up to Infura. Okay, Consensus own Infura is eyeing a decentralized future with their own token. Okay, so you can see this is really dope. Okay, the early access program is definitely worth checking out if you are interested in getting ahead of the curve. So there's a link in the description of this video. You can just check out the link to use it to sign into Infura. Okay, now the step 5 is for you to make a donation through Gitcoin. There's a link in the description for this. Okay, Consensus own Gitcoin. So Consensus owns Gitcoin, so your donation might carry extra weight. So because once you make a donation using Consensus, you are automatically adding onto Joe Lobim, whom is the founder of Metamask itself. Okay, so do not miss this airdrop, and don't forget to join our Telegram using the link that is also in the description of this video, because we come out with cool content like this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you really did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the bell icon on. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed and we hope this is gonna be loud. Okay, see you guys later. Peace out.